This right here is the worst fridge ever made. It's a Samsung fridge, and every freaking month we have to defrost this fridge, completely empty everything out of the fridge that's gonna get ruined because this kind of crap keeps happening. Ice buildup all over this refrigerator, which does not allow the fridge to cool any goods that's in there. I'm so extremely tired of this, and Samsung does nothing to correct the situation. You're hosed if you buy a fridge like this. The end. It's yours to keep forever.